Hello, and good morning, everyone. Well, this is the aftermath. There are a few limbs around down in our neighborhood. As you can hear, our neighbor down there is cutting up some limbs. We have been lucky so far and pray that the lights don't go out, but they did stay on. Of course, with the snow falling from the trees, you never know. It is beautiful. I think we got, the best I can tell is around close to 9 inches of snow. So we did get a good bit. As you can see, snow is falling from the tree limbs. Oh, yeah, I think it about fell and hit me in the head. But anyway, I just want to show you what we have. Y'all take care, stay safe, and most of all, stay warm.